Hi, today I'm going to make these very easy and very pretty Rakhis. Very simple to make and perfect for Raksha Bandhan. For the first Rakhi, the materials I'm using are ribbons in any two colors that you like. And these are beads. I have taken fish shaped beads. These are golden rings, they have stones on their sides. And these are foam sheets in three colors: orange, blue and green. So now just take a foam sheet and take any object which has a round base. So I'm taking this paint bottle. So just trace out the base. Basically I want a circle. Like so, and then just draw another small circle. So you can either use another object or do it freehand as you like. Now I'm just going to cut it out. I have cut these circles from the other foam sheets also. So I've got these ribbons. You can take any color, of course. Now just open out the ribbon. It should be long enough for you to be able to tie it. I think this should be enough. And similarly from the green. And just put these side by side. And just apply some glue on the smaller circles. And stick it in the center. And similarly, take the green one, leave a little gap and stick this also. Like so, and let it dry. After this is dried a bit, now just apply glue on all the three small circles on the other side. And start with the center one. Like so, and now just stick these beads on them. and I'll let it dry. Materials for this Rakhi I'm using are, this is a thin cord, golden in color, and these are a few beads, like you have this triangle shaped, this shape pink color. These are rings with studs on them. This is a decoration kind of a piece, and these smaller rings. I've cut the string for the Rakhi, so now I'm just going to put all the beads one by one. So start with the small ring and the pink bead. So you can use any beads that you have, just put them properly. Like this. I've cut another piece of the string which is slightly longer from the end of the bead till the end of the string. So just tie a knot. Like this. And tie a knot on the other end also after making them equal. So this is how it will look. Now take the center bead and put some glue on it and stick this small stud piece on it. And let it dry.